Hello dear students, welcome back. This is Jocelyn AR and today I have come with a very interesting topic. Okay, look at the screen. The thief saw the police, he ran away. The thief saw the police, he ran away.
5 minutes video vechirukken.
See, two statements are given, okay, and they can be combined into one using as soon as and no sooner than. Got the point, dear students? So the first action is former action, the second action is later action. So they are called successive actions because the thief saw the police and ran away. They are called successive actions. When successive actions are to be combined, conjunctions as soon as or no sooner than are used. Okay, in this class I will teach you how to combine two successive actions into one using as soon as and then using no sooner ... than. Got it? First, let us learn how to combine two statements which represent successive actions into one by using as soon as. I am presenting 4 examples to explain this concept. Look at the screen. First one, the first match completed, the second one started. The first match completed, the second one started. Two statements are given and we have to combine them using as soon as. It's very simple. First you write as soon as, then you write the first statement as it is. As soon as the first match completed, don't make any changes. As soon as the first match completed, put comma and write the next statement, that is the second one started. As soon as the first match completed, the second one started. That's all. Second one, the monitor shouts, the students sit quiet. The monitor shouts, the students sit quiet. Same, you write as soon as. As soon as the monitor shouts, comma, the students sit quiet. Just put comma and write the second one. That's it. Third one, we had gone out, the rain started. We had gone out, the rain started. As soon as we had gone out, comma, the rain started. That's all. Fourth one, Suhas collected the check. He submitted it to the mayor. Begin with as soon as, write the first statement, put comma and write the second one. Finish. Very simple. Alright? Okay. Let us take the same examples and learn how to combine them using no sooner ... than. Why ... I'll explain later. See the first one. The first match completed, the second one started. You begin the statement with no sooner because than must be used afterwards. That's why I told you ... no sooner ... than. First you write no sooner. No sooner. You cannot write the first statement as it is, as we did in the previous case. First what you have to do is you have to apply inversion here. The first match completed. You have to write an auxiliary verb of writing no sooner. Got it? As soon as you write no sooner, the next word should be an auxiliary. But there is no auxiliary given in the first statement. You see only the first statement. Don't touch the second statement. The first statement is the match completed. The first match completed, in fact. In the first statement, there is no auxiliary verb. But we have a main verb. Completed. Okay. Now it is simple past tense. Okay. If it appears in present tense, it would be complete or completes. Okay. Complete is the base verb. Completes and completed. If it is a base verb, you write do as the auxiliary. If it is completes, you write does. If it is completed, you write did. What do we have here? Completed. So look the pattern here. First you write no sooner and write did because we have completed. Completed must be written as did complete. So no sooner did, don't write complete. No sooner did. What is the subject here? The first match. No sooner did the first match complete. Completed must be written like this, did complete, but be careful, you have to apply inversion. The first match, the subject goes that side and the verb comes this side. That is auxiliary verb did comes first. No sooner did the first match complete. Don't write completed. When you're using do verbs, you have to write the base form. If it is completes, you write does complete. If it is only complete, you write do complete. If it is completed, you write did complete. Got the point, dear students? See here. No sooner did the first match complete than, see in as soon as case we just put a comma there, but here you write than, than, then. That's why I told you dot dot dot. Because before writing this than, at least some one or two words come in between. That's why we have the dot dots have been mentioned there. So no sooner did the first match complete than the second one started. You write the second statement as it is. Don't make any changes. Only you have to make changes in the first sentence. Okay, second one. The monitor shouts, the students sit quiet. You write no sooner. After writing no sooner, the rule is to write auxiliary verb. But there is no auxiliary verb here. The main verb is shouts. If it is shout, you write do shout. Shouts, does shout. If it is shouted, did shout. So we have shouts here. So you write does shout. So first you write no sooner does. The subject is the monitor. No sooner does the monitor shout. See, shouts become does shout. No sooner does the monitor shout. Don't write shouts, shout, base verb. No sooner does the monitor shout than. Okay, write than and write the second statement as it is. The students sit quiet. No sooner does the monitor shout than the students sit quiet. Third one. We had gone out. The rain started. See, we had gone out. First you write no sooner and the rule is you write auxiliary. See, in the statement itself we have auxiliary. We had gone out. See, had is auxiliary. Write that had as it is. No sooner had. Subject is we. No sooner had we gone out. Don't make any change in the verb, because when you're using have verbs, the verb should be used in its V3 form. That is past participle. Gone is past participle of go. So write gone as it is. So no sooner had we gone out than the rain started. Simple. Got it, dear friends? Last one. Suhas collected the check. He submitted it to the mayor. No sooner. There is no helping verb here. In third case, we have helping verb. We had helping verb had. We used it as it is. But here, there is no, when there is no helping verb, we have to go for do, does, did. And I told you, see the helping verb, the main verb is collected. When it is collected, should you write do collect or does collect or did collect? Past tense this is. So did collect. So no sooner did. Write subject as it is. No sooner did Suhas collect the check than he submitted it to the mayor. As simple as that. So in case of when you are combining two successive actions using as soon as, there is no confusing concepts there. Just you write as soon as, write the first statement, put comma, and write the second statement. Finish. But when it comes to no sooner, then you have to apply inversion. Got the point here? Main verb, auxiliary verb plays a very important role. As soon as you write no sooner, the third word should be an auxiliary verb. If there is no auxiliary, go for do, does, and did. That's all. Okay. Suppose you are given as soon as pattern and you have been asked to convert that into no sooner than structure. For example, look at the 5 statements given. As soon as the bell rang, I ran outside. First one. As soon as the bell rang, I ran outside. And you have been asked to convert all these 5 statements using no sooner than structure. Okay, say as soon as the bell rang, I ran outside. First you write no sooner, and I told you the rule just now. As soon as you write no sooner, the next word should be an auxiliary. But here in the first part, that is as soon as the bell rang, there is no auxiliary. The main verb is rang. What is the base verb of rang? Ring. Yeah, ring, rings, rang. If it is ring, you write do ring. If it is rings, you write does ring. As it is rang, you write did ring. So the answer is no sooner did. The bell is the subject. No sooner did the bell ring than I ran outside. Okay, next one. As soon as we had reached home, we switched on the TV. First you write no sooner. In the first part, that is as soon as we had reached home, there is an auxiliary verb, that is had. You write had as it is. No sooner had. Write subject. What is subject here? You forget as soon as conjunction. Don't worry about the conjunction. Leave it. The subject is we. No sooner had we reached is the V3 form. When you're using have verbs, you write the V3 form. Okay. No sooner had we reached home than we switched on the TV. Again, you have to make changes only in the first part. Second part should remain as it is. Just in the place of comma, write than and write the second part as it is. See third one. As soon as the movie ended, Natasha clapped. As soon as the movie ended, Natasha clapped. You write no sooner. There is no helping verb. Say as soon as the movie ended. The movie ended. There is no helping verb here. So ended is a main verb. So it is in past simple tense. Okay. So what you must do here? You have to write did end. So no sooner did. But before writing end, you write the subject. No sooner did the movie. You have to apply inversion. I told you. No sooner did the movie end than Natasha clapped. Next. As soon as I get up, I brush my teeth. See, as soon as I get up, I brush my teeth. Right? No sooner. There is no helping verb here. I mean, there is no auxiliary verb. The main verb is get. Get is in its base form, V1 form. So what you must do in case of this? Do get. But before writing do get, you write subject. In between do and get, you must write the subject. No sooner do I get up. Okay, no sooner do I get up than I brush my teeth. Simple. The last one. As soon as the teacher enters the class, we greet him. As soon as the teacher enters the class, we greet him. Right? No sooner. No helping verb in the first part. Say as soon as the teacher enters the class, there is no helping verb. There is no auxiliary verb. The main verb is enters. When it is enters, you write does enter. But between does and enter, you must write the subject. What is the subject here? The teacher. Okay. No sooner, you write does first. No sooner does the teacher enters. See, between does and enters, you must write the subject. In all the cases, you follow the same format. No sooner does the teacher enter. Does enter. See, no sooner does the teacher enter, not enters, enter, than we greet him. That's all. So, you need to be very careful when you are converting as soon as structure into no sooner than structure. You have to apply inversion. That's all. Alright, dear students, so please go through this video and try to become thorough in this topic. In the next class, I will come out with one more topic, useful topic. Till then, stay tuned. Take care of your health. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.